Which choice best states the main idea of the text? To understand how Paleolithic artists navigated dark caves, archaeologist Angeles Medina al-Sayed and her team tested different lighting methods in a cave in Spain using replicas of artifacts found in European caves with art. They used three different Paleolithic light sources: torches, animal fat lamps, and fireplaces, determining that each likely had a specific purpose. For instance, the team learned that animal fat lamps were less useful than torches while walking because the lamps didn't illuminate the cave floor. So option A says, Medina al-Sayed and her team's study demonstrated that fireplaces were essential to the creators of Paleolithic cave art. This is incorrect because the focus of this text is how this team tested different lighting methods in a cave to determine different details about Paleolithic light sources, not that fireplaces were essential to the creators of the Paleolithic cave art. So A is incorrect. B. Medina al-Sayed and her team discovered that Paleolithic cave artists in Spain used animal fat lamps more often than they used torches. This is incorrect because the last sentence highlights how animal fat lamps were less useful than torches while walking because the lamps didn't illuminate the cave floor. So this highlights how it is more likely that the Paleolithic cave artists didn't use animal fat lamps more often than they used torches. And the text doesn't highlight how they use it doesn't compare how they use animal fat lamps to torches. It only highlights how animal fat lamps were less useful than torches. So B is incorrect. C. Medina al-Sayed and her team were reluctant to draw many conclusions from their study because of the difficulty they had replicating light sources based on known artifacts. This is incorrect because the text doesn't highlight this, where it highlights how the team found three different Paleolithic light sources: torches, animal fat lamps, and fireplaces, and that text doesn't highlight how they were reluctant to draw many conclusions from the study. So C is simply incorrect. D. Medina al-Sayed and her team tested Paleolithic light sources and learned some details about how Paleolithic artists traveled within dark caves. This is the correct answer because the text is focused on this, where it highlights how the team tested different Paleolithic light sources: torches, animal fat lamps, and fireplaces, and learned details about how Paleolithic artists traveled within dark caves. And this detail is that animal fat lamps were less useful than torches. So D is the correct answer.